Hello, my name is Chantal Coughlin. I'm a fourth-year veterinary student at the University of Calgary with an interest in poultry medicine. And as part of my final year curriculum, I am doing an investigative medicine project benchmarking infectious bronchitis virus in Alberta broilers. So why this project is interesting to me is I heard reports that there were potentially recent increases in IBV outbreaks in the field. As I went through the literature, I saw that there was limited collaborative data on how many broiler producers in Alberta are vaccinating for bronchitis. So although the vaccine does exist for bronchitis, outbreaks can still occur. And in these outbreaks, there's reports of lower body weights and higher feed conversions. One of the hallmarks of a coronavirus, which is infectious bronchitis virus, is that it mutates very frequently, resulting in lots of variation between genotypes and serotypes. So my project has three objectives. The first is to determine how many producers in Alberta are vaccinating their broiler flocks for bronchitis. The next objective is I wanted to compare field titers between vaccinated and unvaccinated flocks. And my final objective is to isolate and identify IBV genotypes in outbreak scenarios. So this project is already underway. I have distributed a survey to Alberta broiler producers asking about their flock vaccination status and if they've experienced outbreaks in the past. For the titers, I'm collecting blood samples at placement and prior to ship out in vaccinated and unvaccinated flocks. And finally, in outbreak situations, I'm collecting tissue samples and will be submitting those for virus isolation and genotyping. So the results of this study will be important because it will establish a baseline data set of the IBV coverage within Alberta, the IBV vaccine coverage within Alberta broilers. It's going to provide benchmark data for the prevalence of IBV field strains within Alberta. And with those field strains, we will compare the genotypes to known data as well as differentiate them from the vaccine strains. These results will be available as of spring of 2024. I'd like to acknowledge the time and dedication of my supervisor and co-supervisors. And with that, I thank you for your time, and I look forward to any questions that you have. Thank you.